Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Filmora run smoother. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the main thing that would make Filmora run smoother is like to enhance the performance of your computer. Basically, this is not like the most viable or the most optimal option. And all you will be able to do is just to change some settings so we can make Filmora run a bit faster and smoother. So one of the things that you will be able to do is to enable the GPU acceleration or hardware acceleration. And you can do that by going to the file. And from here, you will find preferences. If you cannot find it in the file menu, you will find it in the edit menu. So here we go to preferences, and after that we will be going to performance. So by going to performance here, we will find the enable hardware acceleration and enable hardware acceleration for video encoding, and this one is for the rendering. And basically that would make your GPU share the load with your CPU so it can run faster and smoother. And you can do the same for the rendering here, and you can add the playback using the last rendering engine for better performance. And basically those will allow your Filmora to run faster. Also make sure to start like clearing the cache so it cannot be full, and so Filmora can find more space to add cache files for your footage. And basically you can just like add automatically delete render files, etc. and make sure to not clear them until you finish your projects. And basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.